Hi, our names are Nathan and Justine, and we're from the STEM 10 cohort. The project we are most proud of this year was our Alpha Capstone project.
The goal of our project was to determine and demonstrate the best cleaning method of an oil spill in terms of time, environmental aspects, and effectiveness. Even though our experiment was conducted on a small scale, we did our best to replicate an oil spill in real life.
Our experimental method made sure that we changed a single parameter at a time while conducting each test, the parameter being the method of cleaning. During each test, we would fill a plastic tub with exactly 4 liters of water and 100 milliliters of canola oil, and we would time how long it took for us to clean out the oil. We continued the cleaning process until we felt that it was no longer efficient for us to proceed. And we had 3 different cleaning methods: skimming, which involved us skimming the surface of the water with the pipe cleaner; absorbing, which involved taking cotton balls and trying to absorb the oil off the surface of the water; and freezing, which was based on the fact that oil and water have different freezing points, so that the water would freeze while the oil didn't.
The cotton balls were supposed to replicate hay and other materials used in real-life situations. The pipe cleaner was used to replicate a skimming machine that works effectively in the same way in which our pipe cleaner did.
We made sure we documented every aspect of each experiment, including the cleaning process. As well as after each test, we would record how much of the oil we were able to clean up and how long it took. We would then use this information to determine which test was the most efficient and which test was the most environmentally friendly.
After all our tests, we can conclude that the skimming was the best method of cleaning. It cleaned about 75% of the oil in 10 minutes while also being environmentally friendly, whereas the absorbing test recovered 50% of the oil in 8 minutes, but the cotton balls were single use, so it was not very environmentally friendly. And the freezing test was very unsuccessful, recovering only 5% of the oil.
The thing we liked most about the project was the real-life aspect. It related to a real-life issue. We are also glad that it increased our knowledge of an environmental issue that can have long-lasting effects.
The biggest thing this project has taught us is how to design and conduct a controlled experiment. We learned more about changing parameters and using the scientific method effectively.
In the future, we may want to extend this project by creating a skimmer that works more effectively and is maybe even autonomous.
Something like the image you see above.